This is Realme 12 Plus, and today I'll show how you can enter the Android recovery mode on this device. So to start, you will need to simultaneously press the volume up and power buttons and power your smartphone off. Once the phone is shut down entirely, press and hold the volume down and power keys and let them go once you either feel a subtle vibration or you simply see a Realme logo. And well, that'll be it, more or less. Select your preferred language, and here is the recovery menu. In order to exit it, just select the reboot device or power off device option. You can use both touchscreen and the physical buttons to navigate. I'll go with reboot device option, and well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.